still got miles to go. I've watched the sunrise through a tired man's eyes, work through the darkness while the whole world slept. I've carried dreams that I couldn't let die, and made a few promises I haven't reached yet. Some roads were harder than I thought they'd be, but every mile left something here in me. I've come a long way down this road, but I still got miles to go. There's a fire in this heart of mine, and I ain't running out of hope. I've lost some days, I've lost some time, but I haven't lost my soul. I can see how far I've come, but I still got miles to go. Left some footprints on a distant shore, and there are pieces of my heart back home. I've learned that life can give you something more, but every dream can have a price of its own. I don't know no, I'm not turning back again. I've come a long way down this road, but I still got miles to go. There's a fire in this heart of mine, and I ain't running out of hope. I've lost some days, I've lost some time, but I haven't lost my soul. I can see how far I still got miles to go. Maybe I won't reach every dream, maybe some will change along the way, but as long as there's another morning, I'll get up and face another day. I've come a long way down this road, and I still got miles to go. Every scar became a story, every heartbreak helped me grow. And when I finally reached that place I've been searching for so long, I look back at every mile and know it led me home. Yeah, I've come a long way down this road, but I still